You. So today topic is motivation. So first I will tell a small clip. So if you in your school life you tell yourself why my percentage is below 60 and why I am पीछे रहना था why I am lagging behind and my marks is only 50 to 60% above. So I do not sit with bad guys and I only sit with toppers and I do not make more friends. So I will tell a story first. A man like his name is Einstein. He is not make friends and he is like sit alone in our school on school. So one day he is come 9 a.m. in school time. His teacher say, why are you come that time? So he say, my will I come that time and any time. So his teacher say, come with me in principal room. So he go with his teacher and see on principal. His principal say, why are you come that time? So he say, no, my will I come that time because I will more achieve in any time, so that's why I am that time. So his teacher, you take your TC and go in my school, out of my school. So one day he is come with her mother. So he tell mother, schools give me TC to you get at my school. So second day he come with and school accept him and he is regular try and achieve his marks. So and second boy is his friend. He is do not make friend and he is do not make more friend and he is sit alone and make only toppers friend and do not make bad guys. He is sit alone and after the time of school he study 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. and 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. his tuition. So why he is not achieve good is good. So one day he think, why I am more do hard work and and I do not achieve more. So second day he is regular his work. So he think, my marks is below 60 to 70 and above and half of the class achieve 90 plus. Why I am achieve only 60-70 marks in every exams. So and his weakness is he is not and he do not test in his tuitions and schools. When the test in schools he do not present in school. So I think he is weak on self and after 2 days he regular his daily routine. So his exams is come. So one day so first exam he do 75 marks attempt in his exam. So his friends attempt 80 marks. He think, I do hard work but my marks is not good. So when the result is come, his seventh class result is come, he is achieve 89% and he is not happy. Why I am do hard work and my marks is 89%. So his friends marks is 90% above. So he is not happy, but his parents are happy. My children's above 89% and etc. So he is think, so he is compared to anyone. So I think do not compare to anyone and believe on self and do hard work because your luck with yourself and one day you successful. So thank you.